In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an WhatsApp link not working. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing or the first reason why this could be happening to you is because you've not updated your WhatsApp application. In order to go ahead and check an update, simply open your App Store and then search for WhatsApp, just like I did right over here. And as you can see, I have an update. So I'm just going to simply go ahead and click on update, and there you go. Once you update it, then your problem should be fixed. If your application has an app lock, that could also be a problem. So if you have a Face ID or passcode lock inside of WhatsApp, you need to simply go ahead and turn that off. If none of those work, then try restarting your mobile device, and finally also try changing your Wi-Fi network. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.